All right, we're going to find the vertex of this polynomial function right here. All right, and it is a trinomial. It's in standard form. So this is the standard form of a parabola. And if you remember, your parabola is going to look like this. And the vertex is this point right here. So your vertex is a point, and it's going to have an x part and a y part. Now to find the x part, we're going to do this. Negative b over 2a. If it's in standard form, negative b over 2a. And to find your b and your a, we're going to get it from here. First coefficient is your a, which is a -1. Next coefficient is your b, which is 2. And the last coefficient would be c, which is 2. So let me label them over here. A is -1, b is 2, and c, which we don't need right now, is 2. So to find the first part of that vertex, it's going to be negative b over 2a. And I'm going to plug in for b, I'm going to plug in for a. So negative b over 2a. Every time I plug in, I always just leave a blank set of parentheses, and then I'll plug in. B goes right here, which is 2. And then A goes right here, which is -1. So what I have -2 over 2 times -1 is a -2. So a negative, opposite of a negative, 2 negatives, that's going to give me a positive. And 2 over 2 is going to reduce down to 1. So the x part of my vertex is the number 1. Okay, I'm going to come and put that in my answer up at the top. 1. Now to find the second part of the vertex, I need to take the x part and plug it into the function. So they call that the f of negative b over 2a. So here's my function right here. And instead of f of x, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the f of 1. All right, negative b over 2a is 1. So plug in the x value, and you'll find the y value of the vertex. So negative x squared plus 2x plus 2. I'm going to plug in a 1 and a 1 everywhere where I see x. So this is going to give me the opposite of 1 squared, which is -1, plus 2 times 1 is 2, plus 2. -1 plus 2 plus 2, that's going to be 3. And that is the second part of my vertex. It's going to go right here. So the vertex of this parabola is 1, 3.